Hello, physics students. It's Ms. Howell. I'm reaching out virtually to say hi to you. I miss you. We are in a really extraordinary situation, and I hope you are all taking care of yourselves and each other and your families. And what I wanted to do today was just talk a little bit about how we can move forward with learning some physics in our new situation. So I hope you'll stick with me and hear a little bit about what I have planned. And again, I hope you're well. So what I'm going to do is move us into Canvas, and I'll go to my dashboard here. My courses, pardon me. And we're all being patient with our Wi-Fi. Sometimes it takes a little while. So I'm going to go to AP Physics 2. And you'll see some changes from the last time that you have looked at this course. At the very top of the page, there is a module called Read Before Each Class. And it says Howell AP Physics 2 Weekly Plan. And you will click into that and look at it before each day that we would have had class, or each day that we would have had class. Now this is a running document, so as you scroll down, you'll see that I'll just keep adding to it as this goes on. And it's got some hyperlinks in it, and we'll come back to that in a moment. Before we look at that document in more detail, I'd like to give you an overview of our virtual learning in this frequently asked questions document. So question number 1, how do I know what to do each day? In Canvas, you'll go to Modules, and you'll find a link to what we're learning each day. You'll go to the first link. This says AP Physics C, but I think you guys know you're in AP Physics 2. And then you'll see a spreadsheet that says, includes everything we're doing each day with hyperlinks. You'll also see office hours. I will be immediately available between 10 and 11 daily. Honestly, I'll probably be immediately available all day because I'm hanging out in our home office all the time with multiple screens and phones and so forth. But those are my posted office hours of 10 to 11 each day. So here's some things you may be wondering. Do I have to attend class every day at our normal time? No. You will have work to do for each class that we would have had, but you have a choice of when to do it. I will not be taking attendance. I will not be keeping track of at what time you complete these tasks. So this is called asynchronous instruction. You can work at your own time. Next question, can I still retake a test? Yes, you can still retake a test, and please send me an email if you would like to do that. Next question, what if I'm missing work from quarter 3? Quarter 3 ends officially on Friday, March 20th. Students have until Friday, April 3rd to complete those assignments and reach out to me via email. We will figure it out. I actually still need to update grades. I am working on that. I've been a little slowed down by trying to figure out the best way to set everything up for us. So please be patient with me and we will figure it out. What happens if I don't do any of the work? So if you don't do any of the work, I will reach out to you and I will reach out to your parents and make sure that everybody's okay. And then we will go from there. Do I have to do anything over spring break? No, you do not. And what if I have questions that are not answered here? Please email Ms. Howell, or you can post on the Canvas discussion board. Okay, so let's see. Next, I'm going to go back to my modules here. And we'll go back to our weekly plan. And I tried to set this up. You guys are really savvy, but I tried to set this up in a way that would be pretty easy to use. So the first thing is it asks you to watch the Unit 6 notes. And you guys have a note packet, so you can follow along in your note packet. One thing I have not posted yet that I need to do is I need to post completed notes. So I will work on that. Let's see. So these vodcasts are in YouTube, and I actually made them before I had my fancy iPad. We'll see how long this takes to load. Come on, Wi-Fi, you can do it. Oh boy. There we go. So as you all know, I've got lots of things in in my YouTube channel, and this is no exception. It's a little bit old school, but I think it'll work.
Next, we'll be looking at equations and ray diagrams for convex lenses.
Okay, so it's a little bit more analog, but it goes through the notes step by step. So I would like you to look at that. Let me go back. Here we go, weekly plan. Okay, so there are 2 sections of notes I would like you to watch. It may overlap with some of the things we did in class. The first section is mostly about convex lenses. Remember what the word convex means? It means it's fatter in the middle and skinnier on the ends. And then the second section here is about concave lenses. Then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to do Unit 6 Worksheet 2, that's 1 page, and Unit 6 Worksheet 3. Now, I'm also going to be looking for some feedback from you all about pacing. So if this ends up being way too much or not enough, please post that in the Canvas discussion board or email me directly, because I would like to know that. I'm trying to strike a balance between giving you some interesting things to work on, keeping up with our AP pace in the event that we are able to have AP testing in May. I'd like you to be ready, if you'd like to be ready. So yeah, we're just trying to strike a balance here, and this is our first try. You can check your answers using the answer keys. And then what I'm looking for from your assignment this time is I'm just looking for your posting. So I'm looking for each student to post, ooh, that was fun. I'm looking for each student, let's see if I get that to go away. Go away. Oh no. I'm looking for each student to post twice on that discussion board. Okay, this is great. Ooh, almost, I was so close. Come on, Howell, you can do it. Oh, wow. Great. Okay. Well, do I redo this video or do I give you this entertainment? Okay, so going back to my modules, seems like this should just go away. Really doesn't want to go away. Okay, so back to my modules then. You can see the weekly plan, and then down below I've got digital resources, our old module, so everything is down here in order. But again, I will at the very top, I will let you know what we're doing in the weekly plan. So again, I'd like you to look at the notes, watch the notes, and try to do worksheets 2 and 3 today, and let me know how it goes in the Canvas discussion. I'm going to flip back out to my camera here. Oh my goodness, this won't go away either. That's, wow. Okay, well, that was kind of like one of our regular classes because I made lots of little errors. But that's okay. You know what? I'm going to leave them in there because I'm going to use this as an opportunity to say I have learned so much in the last 10 days. I can't even believe it. At some point, I would love to talk with all of you about that, all the things I've figured out. It's okay to make some mistakes. There's definitely going to be some difficulties as we move forward in this new way. We're all learning and growing, and it's all going to work out. It's all going to work out fine. I miss you all. I miss you guys. And I hope you're well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves and each other. And I can't wait to see what you post in the Canvas discussion. And I will talk to you virtually soon. Bye-bye.